Welcome to our comparison of two innovative portable washing machines. Today, we will explore the features of the DXJJ portable washing machine and the SRVVTO portable small washing machine. Both machines are designed for convenience and efficiency, making them perfect for small spaces like apartments, dorms, and RVs. Let's dive into their specifications and see which one suits your needs better. When it comes to capacity, the DXJJ portable washing machine holds 10 liters, making it suitable for small loads. In contrast, the SRVVTO model offers a slightly larger capacity of 13 liters, allowing for more laundry at once. This difference can be significant for users who need to wash multiple items, especially when traveling or in tight living spaces. Both machines are designed for portability, but they have unique features. The DXJJ model is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. On the other hand, the SRVVTO not only folds for easy storage, but also includes a spin dryer basket, which enhances its functionality by allowing faster drying of clothes. This feature can be particularly beneficial for those on the go. The DXJJ portable washing machine offers 3 washing modes, providing versatility for different types of laundry. Meanwhile, the SRVVTO model, while it does not specify multiple modes, compensates with its integrated spin dryer, which can significantly reduce drying time. This aspect is crucial for users who prioritize efficiency in their laundry routine. In conclusion, both the DXJJ and SRVVTO portable washing machines have their strengths. The DXJJ offers multiple washing modes, while the SRVVTO excels with its spin dryer feature. Depending on your specific needs, either could be a great addition to your laundry routine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.